In this video, we will introduce how to make interactive measurements using Aphelion Lab. We begin by opening an image of interest. We need to verify that the image is calibrated. To do this, check the status bar at the bottom of the application. If, as in this case, it shows 1 pixel equals 1 pixel, or says no resolution defined, then you will need to add the calibration. You may have already set up this calibration, which can be found by clicking on the resolution icon on the main toolbar. Otherwise, you will have to calibrate the system. At the end of this video, we will provide a link to the calibration tutorial. Now we can make interactive measurements by clicking on the measurements icon on the taskbar on the left-hand side, and then selecting an appropriate measurement tool from the context-sensitive toolbar on the right-hand side. There are closed shapes, open shapes, caliper, and angle tools. Please see the user guide Measurements Tasks section to get a complete description of these tools. Let's choose the Circle by 3 Points tool and make a few measurements. Once the tool is selected, we simply click on 3 points on the circumference of an object. The best fit circle is applied. The measurements are then added to the grid display at the bottom of the GUI. Also, this tool allows you to get measurements of objects that do not fully lie within the image. Note that we are displaying the diameter of the circles on the image. This label can easily be moved by using the Select tool on the right-hand side, then clicking on the label of interest and moving it to the desired location. We can also measure circles by drawing a diameter line through the object. If the objects are irregular in shape, we can choose either the polygon or the freehand polygon tool. The polygon tool uses line segments to create a closed bounding object. You can edit the polygons by using the Select tool and then double-clicking on the polygon. Once you've done this, you can reposition points, add points, and delete points. There is a Caliper tool for measuring the distance between 2 points, and there is an angle measurement tool so that you can measure the angles between 3 points. Once you have a set of objects, you can select individual objects or collections of objects and use either the red X or the green check on the right-hand side to delete only the selected objects or to keep only the selected objects. With the measurements made, we can now select a parameter in the data grid below and then present a histogram, in this case, of the equivalent circular diameter. Additionally, we can select a second parameter and then we can create a scatter plot, in this case, of the Crofton perimeter versus the equivalent circular diameter. And we can export the results to Excel for further analysis. Thank you for watching this tutorial. For additional information or other tutorials, please visit www.adcis.net.